Hey team, it's Julian Dougharty here. On today's Founders 5, I'm going to show you a way to be able to take your smartphone and make money using your smartphone. I remember 10 years ago when I first got a smartphone, and I never put it together to be able to help me make money in the insurance or annuity business. I always thought, well, I got my smartphone, and this smartphone was designed for me to be able to play on the internet, send and receive emails to work or to, my family members. I maybe download some apps to be able to play games, check the weather, driving, maps, but I never thought that a smartphone could help me generate business from the internet and social media outlets. You're probably asking yourself, how in the world is this smartphone supposed to make me money from the internet? Well, I'm going to show you a couple ways today how to take the smartphone and generate sales. It's not instant gratification. It's a way to generate leads from the internet or turn your business into an annuity lead machine. How do you do that? Well, it's pretty simple. I know some of you are used to, or most of you are used to the smartphone era. I know, the flip phones came out. Maybe one or two of you still have flip phones. But the smartphones, almost everybody's got one, especially if you're an insurance agent or a life insurance agent. What you can do is you can download different social media apps. For example, like YouTube, download the app. Twitter, download the Twitter app. Instagram, download the Instagram app. Facebook, download the Facebook app. LinkedIn, download the LinkedIn app to your smartphone. And then on a daily basis, I know that this may be difficult to comprehend or outside of the norm when it comes to generating sales. Maybe it's out of your comfort zone. You're typically used to generating annuity and life insurance sales from direct mail or seminar programs or radio shows, whatever you're normally used to generating annuity sales or at least customers from. Start using the smartphone to add on to your current business. Don't think of it as a salesman would. You get an instant gratification. I post something to the internet and I'm supposed to get sales right away. Think of it as a long-term, put the business owner hat on and think of it as a long-term investment. What you do today is going to pay down the line. For example, when I hire a new employee, I know that new employee in the fixed index annuity business is not going to generate me sales or activity right away, but down the line, hopefully will generate some profits and make some good money. Well, with your YouTube application on your smartphone, you can go to your camera on your smartphone and you can possibly film yourself talking about today. I'm going to be filming a video on index annuities. An index annuity is a vehicle to be able to provide you upside potential of the market with no downside risk, plus you'll be able to receive an income stream for life. And then hit post and post it to YouTube. Same thing with Facebook. Post the same video to Facebook. Post the same video to YouTube and Instagram. Keep posting the same video. I had an agent on Friday ask me, Julian, what's the best Facebook ad I can use for my new ClickFunnels system that I'm producing? And I told him, I said, look, there is no magic bullet Facebook ad, but what I suggest you do is take your smartphone, film yourself, do 10 videos a day talking about the different services that you offer. Post them to Facebook, post them to YouTube, post them to LinkedIn, post them to Instagram. And then what you'll see over time is that the algorithms that these different social media outlooks use will start putting your ads or your videos in front of people who you want them to see. And what will ultimately happen is you'll start getting people calling you. I see your video on annuities or life insurance. I'm here in Florida and I'm interested in meeting with you. You can also, for pennies on the dollar, go to the ad managers on each one of these social media outlets, for example, Facebook. You can upload the video that you just posted from your phone to the Facebook ad manager on your phone. You can say, I would like for that video to reach women who are interested in golfing, who are in West Palm Beach, Florida, and I want it to go to a 30-mile radius, and I'm gonna pay $20 per day, and then hit boost. Your video will go to maybe 5,000 people within a week. Now that is a lot better return on your money than doing a direct mail program. Or YouTube, post it, go to the ads manager from your phone and post that video. And I suggest don't spend $1,000 on one video. Spend $10, $100 on 10 videos and do it every single day. There is no magic Facebook ad. It's about consistency. It's about content. So on today's Founder 5, the smartphone is an excellent way to drive annuity and life insurance clients to you. It's the new remote control on life, including your business. You can do everything from this smartphone. Take the time, learn about it, watch YouTube videos on how to post a video. Learn YouTube, learn Instagram, Facebook. It'll only take you 10 minutes. It's so easy to do. But if this is all too confusing for you and you just want to stay in front of clients, but you want to build that online social media presence, you want to be the first person to pull up on YouTube when somebody types in life insurance or annuity. You want to be the first one to pull up. So the one that has the most content in your area will pull up. The agent that has the most content will pull up. So remember, it's easy. Call DFS if you're having trouble, if you don't understand how to do it. I have a media department. I have a full studio. I have social media strategists. We have computer engineers that can help you create your online presence and become an influencer using your smartphone. Let us help you build your business through the internet. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for your time and have a great day. Subscribe to my channel for the latest and greatest updates on the fixed index annuity world and how DFS can help you with your business.